Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. What do you do if people show up at your door and you have no food in the fridge? Come, let me show you something simple you can make and they will enjoy. Into a bowl, you want to add flour, nutmeg, garlic powder, onion powder, baking powder. Mix together. At this point, you can use any butter of your choice. I'm using the Irish butter. And as you can see, I'm just eyeballing. I'm not measuring. More butter. Mix together with your fingertips. I wanted a flaky texture, so I went ahead and added avocado oil. And by doing that, I'm reducing the butter and having healthy fats added. At this point, you want to go ahead and add salt into a glass or a bowl. Add cold water and then incorporate into the flour mixture bit by bit. Now, if you watch closely, I'm just using the folding method. I'm not kneading, just folding and mixing at the same time. You want to go ahead and leave it to rest. And for the filling, keeping it simple, we have minced meat, add onions, garlic, parsley, curry powder, oregano, black pepper, white pepper, anise. Saute for a few minutes. Add green peas, salt to taste, flour, saute again, more flour and a little bit of water. Saute. And if you realize, I added a little bit of water. This is the consistency we're looking for. No oil added. We're just gonna let it cool whilst we roll the dough. Cut, fill, and bake. Guys, our pie is ready. Serve this pie with this wonderful drink. I'll put a link for this drink in the description box. Your guests will love this. It tasted so amazing. Look at this meat pie. Perfect texture, flaky, moist in the inside. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.